The SecuRam SR1 keypad is very simple to use. To open the lock, all you need to do is enter in your 6-digit combination. And the lock unlocks. After you enter in your combination, you'll hear 2 beeps. Let's watch one more time. The 2 beeps indicates a valid combination was entered. Let's listen to what happens when an incorrect combination is entered. It sounds different, and the lock does not unlock. It's 2 very quick beeps. Beep beep indicates that the lock was actually opened. It did accept your combination.